Welcome back to Beyond the Frontlines. Last time we travelled to the Bastogne Barracks to take detailed measurements from an original Firefly. Every dimension, every angle, captured to make sure we get this right. Now, back in the workshop, the real work begins. With the data in hand, it's time to start building. The first step is preparing the mounting points, welding in the cages, each one fitted with a nut inside.
Yeah, so at the moment I'm tacking on all the cages behind here for the Firefly. Basically, it's a cage with a nut inside like this. And essentially what the Americans also had was fender over here. So that's skirt boards, they call them. This project in general, we probably won't make them for it because it's something that takes away from the coolness of the tracks and everything. But this is originally how it would have been. So they would have been placed behind here, like so. And they slot in like that. And now the idea is that we're just going to weld them on the back end and you can't see them. But originally they would have been spot welded from the front. That's why the holes were there. So we basically made these out of 3D stainless steel. So they were printed basically by a 3D printer. And yeah, all we do is pop the nut in there. It allows you to be able to bolt on the side skirts that we're going to be putting on.
It's a small detail, but a critical one. Accuracy here sets the foundation for everything that follows.
Alrighty, let's do some welding.
After 4 hours of welding, it's almost done. But then, the last one doesn't quite go to plan.
I made a mistake. I dropped something on the floor. And yeah, you should be inside there. Oh, that's a shame. I've got to remove the cage. And that's like I said earlier, Adrian's ordered the exact amount we need, which is a risk. Because if someone's as stupid as me puts together something together like that, unfortunately, you cause yourself some issues.
So, while Ben tackles his current challenge, we're gearing up for an exciting operation. It's time to move some giants. To make space for what's coming next, we need to clear the workshop, and that means relocating some incredible pieces of history. Let's take a closer look. First up, the M5 Stuart. Lightweight, fast and agile, this tank played a crucial role in the early years of World War II. Next, the legendary M4 Sherman. Reliable and versatile, it became the backbone of Allied armoured forces. We also have the formidable Ordnance QF 17-pounder, a weapon designed to stop even the heaviest enemy armour. And finally, the rugged half-track, combining mobility with protection for troops in the field. Now that the machines are relocated, let's head back to Ben and see if he's managed to sort out his little nut problem.
Either I'm incompetent or the bloody machine's broken. Machine's knackered. I think I've broken it. What's that all about? And now it's stopped. I've got patience for this today. Oh, think she's going. Ah! Oh, potato! Oh, on it! Bloody hell! Nice. Okay, wasn't too bad. After the minor setback, done.
And so, after hours of effort, heat, and no small amount of frustration, Ben has finally won. A small victory? Yes. But in a project like this, small victories matter. Elsewhere, tools spark back into action, because in a place like this, nothing ever really stops. One job finishes, and 3 more begin.
So here we've got the Sherman tracks with the ESS system. Basically, they tested it, then they also installed these in the field. These are Grouters. Track link connector that goes on here. And what we do is we place this like so. It's like a mold just to hold it in position. Then Walter here, he's tacking on these Grouters on the outside and then completely weld them all around. So when it's up straight, he'll do the sides, as you can already see he's done. Then he flips the track onto its normal position and then he welds the top end, as he's already done 50 times down there. It's the second track now, so we're close to finishing it. So these are the Duckbills and these are Grouters, that's like the terminology they use. We had these made, so Adrian, our engineer, he's made these from copies, from examples from photos and other Shermans we've seen in America. We had these forged in France, and then we had them also annealed, so it basically means they drop them in hot heat and everything. So everything's the same on the tracks in terms of Sherman. All we've done, we just added on these Grouters. That's what the client wanted, so yeah, we've added them.
Next time, we finally do the obvious thing. We put the tracks under the Sherman, which means for the first time, it might actually look like a tank. The restoration of the Firefly continues with bigger parts, heavier jobs, and absolutely no margin for error. And then, because this clearly isn't complicated enough, we start an entirely new project. A good idea? Absolutely not. But we're doing it anyway, because at BAIV, we know exactly what we're doing.